everyone! Today we will be making Christmas trees out of cucumber, carrot, and cherries.
First, use the peeler to peel the carrot skin.
Next, use a different peeler to make the batter.
About 1.5 inch to make it the base of the tree.
Then use a disposable chopstick to make the stem. Use a slicer to cut into thin slices for leaves. Look at the patterns.
Sort them out from smallest to biggest.
After you sort it, this is what it's gonna look like.
Let's put it together. I have finished my first layer of my tree. Do you like it?
Yeah, let's continue.
After you have finished the first layer, put a cherry to separate it from other layers, and then continue putting leaves in your tree.
I just finished. How about you?
Yeah, I just finished too. The extra cherries that you have, you can place around your plate to decorate it. And the rest are mine. It's so good.
You can also use a cucumber to do the same thing.
The softer the vegetable, the easier it will be to put together. This is our finished product. This is the carrot tree and the cucumber tree.
Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Merry Christmas!
And a Happy New Year.
Goodbye! Can I have a cherry? I want a cherry! Me too. I want a cherry! I want to eat you. I want a cherry.
Me too.
I want a cherry.
Me too.
Let's take one. Oh. Time to enjoy my cherries. Cherry. It tastes like cucumber.